Nope. It's a dump truck, our second one now.
Yeah, our first one, it works, it's rough. We want something a little newer to drive on the road.
We got one more load to do in the pond.
Yep.
And then it's inside the shop for some breaks and hopefully end the video with this thing on the road.
Am I stuck? I think you're stuck. I gotta try to...
Went straight back almost.
Yeah. It wasn't to drive this thing in the pond. All right, today,
This is kind of like one of those, it leads into a thing to lead into a thing to lead into a thing.
yeah,
The property is a mess.
it is a disaster.
In the last week or two, we have bought an excavator.
Cute little guy.
Little guy.
And got the big tractor running again. It was dead for a couple years.
And now we're to the next phase of,
We need the dump truck.
because it takes like 2 hours to take a little scoop.
Yeah, back and forth.
It's like, you know.
Yeah, here, just put it there.
Yeah.
And we got there's a lot of just, when we got the property, we just had it all scooped in piles, and then we just left it.
If we had a metal detector, it'd probably be a fun little
It would just beep constantly, it would be just broken.
but it hasn't ran and drive in 2 years.
Yeah, and it wasn't really running and driving. It had no brakes, and the alternator or the generator doesn't work, so it doesn't really. It's not a street driver, but you can drive around the property. Now it has a growth that we need to
So it's like a hazard.
poke or something right now. Or call somebody. I don't know. We gotta investigate it. I think I'm hoping it's dead. I didn't hear any noises. So.
If anything, just lift it up so you don't have to deal with it. You'll see in a second.
This is what we're dealing with. We just drove this truck almost 2 years ago. We parked it here, so they worked fast. Yellow.
Now, luckily the window's up, so
Yeah.
our plan of attack is just to use the passenger
Passenger door.
side. I think this might be some of my favorite years of dump trucks. They're really cool.
Yeah, I think they're cool looking. They have a lot of character, and they're drivable too. Like that old one we have. I don't know if I'd want to drive that to town
With 2 tons of
with a load. Yeah, with a full
gravel
load.
or dirt or something back there.
Yeah, I just need to fix its voltage regulator or whatever.
So it charges. But luckily, as a shop truck, you just put a battery on the charger and then you switch it out. It's actually kind of like an electric truck.
Look at it. That's kind of funny. You can see each from one of these little. I'll let you get stabbed the stickers.
Hey, it used to be orange.
Or I think something just. And there's the alternator tester. And there's the newer brake master cylinder that's
Just
they're about to convert. So yeah, we just gotta hook it up and maybe bleed the brakes. Oh, that doesn't look. doesn't charge, it's not going to run long enough to overheat. We'll put something in there anyway. So. What the hell does the battery even? This side.
That's good.
Yeah. Except for what's this? Looks like I don't know. We wouldn't have done. Maybe it came off when we were taking the battery out and just tossed it in there.
Probably.
All right.
Well, other than that giant scary thing on the dump bed, everything else looks.
Yeah, I was just looking in here too. I'm like, Yeah, it has battery. I need to find a piece of tape or something for that hole over there.
Yeah.
Some big holes other than probably all the seals for the windows and big door cracks they can get right into. Yeah, because like when the door's closed over there, I think they can just get right in here, you know? Because if they're coming in, I'm running.
Just make sure the truck's in neutral.
Yeah, maybe. Poop on the seat.
Alright, 2 years.
Oh man, I can see you right outside from this door. The gas hose, the gas tank.
It's like right there.
Yeah. Okay, that's key. At least I can do this by myself.
That's always a plus when you can do it by yourself.
Yeah.
I see things moving. Magical fluid.
Yeah.
It's alive!
Go. Doesn't work. There, it works. It doesn't unwork.
All right. Well, we'll see if she moves.
Yeah. This one looks good. Yeah. That's it.
These didn't do anything, so.
So we'll just call that company to remove it real fast.
Yeah, I think it's dead.
With this. Like they said, throw a cowling at it and it'll, that's how you do it properly.
No bad, looks
All right, time to put her to work.
yeah, nothing more to do but to fill it, I guess.
Yeah, fill it and then unfill it.
Huh. That's kind of the basis of a dump truck.
Yeah, I guess so. it dumped.
Nothing really seemed to phase it.
No, it's overheats, but
Eh.
I think that was because the radiator looked like it had nothing in it.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter to me. It doesn't charge. It's not going to run long enough to overheat. Last time we had a tailgate on it, and every stick would get stuck. That was nice. That it just. But now we have to go through this, get all the metal and crap out, and throw it back in here. And...
Don't cry. Yeah, we're gonna clean it up. Okay?
It is real fun to be able to actually, you know, like fix these trucks and then use them for something that actually workable.
Yeah, we put brakes on this and the charge alt and to have the alternator work. We could drive it around and actually just drive it to the dump. And
yeah, this could be a full. We expect this thing to be a full.
Yeah.
Time drive truck. We actually have a paint scheme in mind that we might throw on it later.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. It does what we need it to do around here for now.
Yeah, it's just going to be a little to and from earth mover for us for the next couple weeks while we still reorganize the property.
It's a disaster.
But we're getting closer.
Yeah.
We hopefully have, you know, like oval tracks and drag strips and everything out here eventually.
Yeah, definitely.
So.
We could do an 8th mile.
But 60s dump truck sitting 2 years.
Yeah, and who knows how long it was sitting before that. That's all we did with the last time too. We dumped one load and we're like, oh cool, it works, and then we parked it.
We talk more, but we got more work to do.
There's not a lot to say either. I mean, it is what it is. No. If people want to see more of it, we don't mind
I like it. Like
fixing
I said,
it up on
we do
camera.
have future. Yeah, we do have future plans for it. And
yeah, that would be pretty cool. The paint scheme we're talking about.
Yeah, so
and it's not like we need to make it perfect. It would be an easy one.
No, you could. Helen Keller could.
Yeah, for
paint
sure.
this.